Hi, my name is Izzati binti Samsudin. Now I will do a demonstration about steps to make bird of paradise napkin folding. Stay tuned guys! First of all, you must lay the napkin face down in front of you and make sure the napkin is neat and even. Number 2, you fold the napkin in half. And also, make sure the napkin is neat too. Number 3, fold the napkin in quarters and turn it to triangle front of you. Take that section to the up and then fold the napkin in half diagonally, which is creating a triangle. Next step, orient the triangle so the open is facing away from you. Make sure this side at the top. Step number 6. Fold it diagonally towards you and place it down next to the previous fold. And now you have shape of diamond, and make sure do the same with the neck corner. Next, you must fold the two wings under so that you have your original triangle shape back. Step number 8. Fold the triangle in half by bringing the center seam towards you. Neat, put finger inside that and hold that in other finger, cause give better control. Step number 9. To make the feathers, hold the base firmly to keep your folds together. Last step, while holding the base firmly to keep your folds together, pull up the fold flaps created by the napkin corner. That's all from me. Next, we will know about how to make opera fan napkin folding. Thank you guys.
Next, I, Izzah, will be doing the upper fan folding step by step. Firstly, lay the napkin face down in front of you, fold the napkin in half and orient the open end towards you. Next, fold the napkin like an accordion starting at either narrow end. Leave one end with 2 or 3 inches of unfolded napkin to support the standing fan later on. Fold the napkin in half with the accordion fold on the outside. Then, grasp the unfolded corners where they meet on the open end and fold them in diagonally, tucking them under the accordion folds to secure the napkin from falling. Lastly, open it and stand it up. And there it is, a beautiful fan for a beautiful dinner.
Trifold napkin folding. I am Emmanuel Aaron Alvin Uping Anapernidin DB190118. I will show you how to fold trifold napkin. Start with a freshly pressed and starched napkin. Lay the napkin face down, in other words, top side down. Rotate it so that the edges are pointed at you. Fold the napkin in half diagonally. It should be like a triangle shape. Make sure it is centered so that the folding will be equally triangle shape. Next, take the right corner and fold it up to meet the upper corner. Make sure the edge of the fold remain in the center as shown. Repeat the fold with the left side, ending with a diamond shape as you can see here. Then turn over and the open end are facing towards you. Fold in half by bringing the farthest point of the diamond up and back to the nearest point. Then fold another half and keep the open end facing towards you. Finally, open the napkin along the center seam and you will have a sturdy pyramid shape. That's all from me. Thank you.